welcome back. So today's video is such a fun video. I'm so glad you're here with me. These projects I'm going to share with you today might quite possibly be my absolute favorite fall DIYs I've done to date so far. I love them. I think they look so expensive, so elegant, definitely something you would find in a higher end store maybe. That's just my opinion. You'll have to let me know if you agree with me or not in the comment section down below. But I'm really excited to share these projects with you, and they were so inexpensive and so easy to do. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Y'all, these little Mississippi cutouts, I did that with my jigsaw, traced it out, cut it out, sanded it down, and now I'm gonna fix up 2 of them and show you what I did. So I paint both of them black, top, back, edges, all that fun stuff. And this would be a good idea for your state. You know, you could just cut out your state and sand it down and paint it to whatever color you choose. But I took this cotton, I don't know what you call it. Was it a pod? Ball? Whatever. And I glued it to the area of Mississippi, the general area where we're located, which is the southern part of Mississippi. And then I printed out, hey y'all, on my Cameo, and added this to it, and I think this is so cute. I love it. Of course, I had to make my mom one. I don't show y'all, but I did. And this is what it looks like when it was finished, but I do add something to it, so hold on for that. But the other one that I painted black, I did this little pumpkin DIY I showed y'all in a previous DIY where you make the little pumpkins out of the jute twine. I just did one bundle of that, and it laid flat on there, put my twig in there, and there you go. But I did think this one needed something, so I made like a little shoelace bow out of some raffia, add a little bow to my cotton, and there you go. I think it is adorable. You'll have to let me know what you think. Okay, this may be my absolute favorite DIY I've ever done for the fall. Yeah, I'm going to go out there and say that. And it's very self-explanatory. These are those little frames I picked up in the checkout line at Dollar Tree. I had it on my last Dollar Tree haul. I'm not really going to bore y'all with all the painting parts, but I painted the frames black. I painted 2 of the little inserts black and 1 white. And then these are some cute little leftover pumpkins I had from last year, again from the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen any this year, but I'm sure they'll get some. So I just took the wire out, took the little stem off, and I cut them in half with this little X-OXO knife, also from the Dollar Tree. These are really handy. And I cut about 3 of these like that in half. And 2 of them I put some jute twine on just to kind of dress it up a little bit, I guess. On one I put 4 little pieces of twine, and on the other one I put 2. And then for the remaining 4, I just took out my paint and just kind of, you know, painted them a little bit, making them look a little more realistic and not so fake bright orange, if you would. And I didn't show it, but I did go back also and paint in between this jute twine. But I did add these stems back to these 2 pumpkins that I did the jute twine on, but I don't on the other ones, but you'll see what I do. Anyway, here I am just kind of like, they just look so fake and plastic, so I'm just kind of like, make them look a little more realistic. I mean, I know it's a DIY, and I know they're not real pumpkins, but you know what I'm saying. So after I do this, then we're gonna move on, and the rest of it is kind of self-explanatory. I don't think I'm gonna do a whole lot of voiceover on it. I'm just gonna kind of let you watch, and if you have any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you. I did want to add, this is the second one of these of the white that I did, because the first one that I used in this original DIY, I it messed up so bad and I had to fix it and distress it, and then I realized it didn't record. I love the end result of it, but I wanted to show y'all what all I did to distress it. But I will be making another DIY with this one. This is not the one I'm using in this particular DIY, but you'll see. And I just wanted to show y'all that and how I distressed it. Y'all have to let me know if you like these videos without the voiceover so much. I just feel like, I mean, y'all are all smart and you can see what I'm doing, and I don't want y'all to ever feel like I'm talking down to you or anything. But if it's ever anything like complicated or unique, I would definitely walk you through it. But I just feel like this is kind of self-explanatory, but you'll just have to let me know if you prefer this or not. Okay, since I had to make another one of those little happy fall, y'all, I come up with this idea in a way to use it, and I'm sure my daughter's gonna get it. Anyway, cutting out scrapbook paper, again, kind of self-explanatory. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them, but I just feel like, you know, y'all can kind of see what's going on, and it's just real easy to do. And y'all know I love my scrapbook paper and Mod Podge. So I just had a good time making this. And this one kind of coordinates with the little trinket dish that I made out of the soap dish from Dollar Tree. So you'll just have to let me know what you think about it. But I'm just going to let y'all listen to this relaxing music and enjoy this craft. Okay, you'll have to let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Do you like them? If there's anything you would have done differently, I would really love to know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.